Hey guys, just to let you know right off the rip, you're gonna need a scanner to turn the airbag light off. Alright, so we're in the BMW Z4 and he got the airbag light on. Oh, I can't zoom in this mode. Got an airbag light on, and it's only a couple things that'll set that off. You can have faulty seatbelts. You can have a bad airbag, or from a previous accident, this car wasn't an accident and they fixed everything but forgot to change the buckle. When you crash the car, the buckle gets pulled down and it throws the airbag light. If you look at this one, it's a lot longer compared to that one. But yeah, we're gonna fix this. There's gonna be 2 bolts right here. I think they're 16s, and there's 2 more in the rear. Right here, and they would have little plastic covers on them. You'll just pop these off and then you'll be able to get to the screws, and I'll be right back. All right, once you loosen up the seat, you push her back like this, come down here, that yellow plug right there. I already did this, but yeah, that plug, you unplug it. I'll show you what it looks like in a minute. And I thought you had to pull the seatbelt off, but you don't. You just lean her to the side like this. Make sure your battery's disconnected, and that's the unit right there. And then the torque bit will be a T50. We're gonna T50 that hole off and show you what it looks like. All right, there was a lot going on here, a whole lot going on, but these are the 2 seat belts. You can see one shorter than the other, and then it's kind of hard to get out this wire right here that was plugged in. Oh Jesus, it is plugged into the back of this plug, and this plug had a cover on it like this. So that's the top of the plug. There's 2 clips on the side that you push up on. Trying to get some light on it. Right there, there's clips you push up on them, and then you can slide the cover off. And once that cover is off, that plug plugs in right here. All you do is pull the plug out, and then you can remove the seat belt, and then this plug unplugs from the top of the seat belt. This one goes, that goes right here. And yeah, it's pretty much that simple. Take the old one out, then you take this new one, sit it on its bracket right there, take the screw, put the screw in there, oops, oh, this concrete's hurting my knees. I need to stop doing this. Might end up 40 years old with knee problems. They could have gave me a little more room.
Not this car. Hell no. Honey. You've seen my brother Aiden, right?
Yeah.
He can't even fit.
For real?
Yeah, he tried and he's just like...
Too tall?
Yeah. I was gonna let him drive it, but...
Yup. Now this is the plug that comes from the seat belt. Way near yonder. Comes down here. And plugs in here. This wire goes back up here.
Seating and all those controls on the side.
Yep.
I just didn't want to mess nothing up.
Oh, that's all plugged into one plug, so for future reference.
Nah, I know.
Yeah. Now you don't really have to worry.
I don't even know what that mat is.
Floor mat.
I just don't get it. And then I have 2 floor mats on this side.
What? You
Yeah.
got a big piece of glass too. It's a murder weapon. There you go.
What the?
All right. Once that wire is plugged in, you take this, you slide her back in her slots. And then you pull the side out of it. Plug this into it. She's plugged back in. And then slide it back into its place. It just slips on these all clips. And then we just sit it back down and screw it in. Battery's still off. Don't forget put little covers back on. Hopefully you gotta reset nothing. You see the key? Let me move over. Might want to move over. I don't know if the airbags are gonna blow up.
Tell me twice.
No, I'm just fucking with you.
I don't know a damn thing about it, so when you say shit like that, I'm like, oh, that's cool.
Let's see if it goes away now.
Usually it pops on pretty quick.
Yeah, it's already on.
It did turn on?
Yes, on still.
Damn.
Gotta see if we gotta reset something or something.